All right, boys and girls, welcome back. We're at our reading table and we'll start off with our words to know. Our first word to know is the word good, Good. And we can use this word in a sentence. I am a good person. Our next word to know is the word said, Said. And we can also use this word in a sentence. The doctor said I was in good health. So again, these are our words to know, good and said. Moving on to our letters for this lesson, we have the letter J. We have our friend Jumping Jill, and this letter makes the sound J, as in job, jam, or jet. Our next letter for this lesson is the letter X. Mr. X-ray helps us remember that the letter X makes the X sound. And we hear it in the end of words such as box, mix, or ox. All right, we're moving on to our blending, and we're doing it a little different today. So I'm going to give you the picture, and I would like you to go ahead and sound that word out for me. So here's our first picture. And so if you could sound those sounds out for me, I'm going to lay some chips down for each sound that you should be telling me. All right, so here we go. Here's the picture, and we sound it out. And if you said ox, ox, that is correct. Here is our next picture. Zip would be the word we're sounding out. Zip, zip is how we would sound out the word zip. All right, these pictures, I'm going to give you the sound, and you tell me what the word is, obviously. Jet, jet. And obviously that's the word jet. And our next sound out is ah, ah, which is mop. All right, that's it for our blending. We're going to move on to our quick erase. And with our quick erase, I give you a word, and I will erase the first sound, and then you tell me what the next word could be. All right, here we go. First word is what's that word? Ill. Ill. We know when we see the double letter, it still makes the one sound. So this word is hill. If I erase the H in hill and put a W, I now have will. If I erase the W in will and I put an F, I now have fill. Good job. We're going to change the whole word. We're going to start off with the word rug. Rug. If I erase the R in rug and put an M, we have mug. If I erase the M in mug and put a T, we have tug. Good job, boys and girls. Our last set of quick erase, we're going to start off with the word is jet, jet. If we erase the J in jet and put an N, we have net. If we erase the N in net and put a B, we have bet. Good job, boys and girls. Alrighty, we're going back to our reading table. And we're going to be working with pronouns. We know pronouns are nouns, but they replace regular nouns. So in this paper here, we're simply going to draw lines to connect the correct pronoun to the right picture. And our pronouns are he, she, and they. We see a girl, a boy, and a girl and a boy. So our first pronoun he obviously is for the little boy. She, of course, is for the little girl. And when you have more than one person, they stands for the pronoun for when it's two people or more. All right, second row, same thing. She, they, he. So our pronoun she, it's a girl, so we need one single girl connecting that pronoun. Here's our they, and we know we need more than one person, so that must mean here. And then he goes there. Here we go, a new pronoun, they, it, he, she. It is for an animal or for a thing. So, okay, they means more than one person. So we need to connect that to the people on the seesaw. It, again, stands for an animal or a thing. We have a mug, so that would be connected to the mug. He, of course, is a boy. And she, we'll go all the way over to the girl. All right, last, it, she, he, and they. So first word, it. And we're going to go to popcorn because popcorn is an it. She, of course, the one single girl. He is a one single boy. And they, of course, are more than one person. All right, we will review our pronouns again tomorrow. But again, a pronoun is a noun that replaces a regular noun. He stands for a boy or a male. She is for a girl or female. They are for two or more people. And it could stand for animals too, depending on how the sentence is used. It is usually used for an animal or a thing. And then, of course, we have the pronoun I, which we didn't work with today, but I means if it's just you, speaking of yourself. All right, going on to antonyms. And our antonyms, again, are opposites. So we're going to look at each row. We're going to circle the two antonyms that go together. So looking a little closer, we have fast, short, and slow. Fast, short, and slow. Which two words are the opposite? If you said fast and slow, you are correct. They're opposite. The hare or bunny is fast, and the tortoise or turtle is slow. Our next line, we have in, out, and hot. In, out, and hot. Which two words are antonyms, are opposites? If you said in and out, you're correct. Either in and out are opposite of each other. Hot does not have anything to do with that. All right, last but not least, we have our small, down, and big. Small, down, and big. Which two words are antonyms? Opposites. If you said small and big, you're right again. Those two words are opposite of each other. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this part of our reading. You're going to take a break, check out Ms. LeBerth, see what she has for you. And when you come back, we'll read our story. See you soon.